Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. So this video is a maximum quantity setup tutorial for your products in the Shopify store. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this setup, I am using Next Minimum Order Amount MOQ app. This is available from the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box, so you can just check it out. So after installing the app, you can just open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can click on create role. Now, first thing you have to give a proper title. Let's say like Shopify product maximum quantity as the title. This should be a meaningful one because you can just easily identify this from the list of rows. And please make sure that the role is enabled by turning on this button, and land on product maximum quantity and give your maximum quantity, let's say like 20, and you can just select the product. Now let's add this product. So what this means is like user has to purchase only up to 20 of this product. So if anyone trying to purchase more than 20 of this particular selected product, then we will be showing an error message in the checkout page. This error message, either you can go for the customized one, otherwise you can just use the default one. So if you are planning to show up a customized message, then you can just enable this button and add the customized message over this in this field. Otherwise, keep it disabled because the default one will be available in the checkout page. And if you need any other products or if you need any multiple products to be added with this maximum quantity limit, then you can just click on this and repeat the process over here. Otherwise, you can just remove the limit because I'm planning to add only maximum quantity rule for this product. And if you need to show up the error message within the cart itself, then you can just turn it on. Otherwise, keep it disabled. So the setup has done. Now let's save it and test this setup in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. So this is our product which we have added the maximum quantity rule. So we have added only 20 as the maximum quantity. Now I'm trying to check out with 30 products. Now my expectation is to show some error message which says we cannot add more than 20. So the error message has shown up here. So the setup is success. Now let's try to decrease the quantity to 10. And now let's try to check out. As you can see that the error message has gone. So that's how you can just set up a maximum quantity rule in your Shopify store for some particular products. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.